Hello everyone, in this video we're going to create a to-do list using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model that can assist us in building interactive web applications. First, we'll create the basic structure of our to-do list using HTML. We'll add a title, input field, and button to allow users to add new to-do items to the list. Next, we'll style our to-do list using CSS. We'll add a few simple styles to make our list look more attractive and easier to read. Now, with the help of ChatGPT, we'll add functionality to our to-do list using JavaScript. ChatGPT can assist us in writing code for event listeners that listen for when the user submits a new to-do item, and then adds that item to the list. We can also use ChatGPT to help us create a function that allows users to mark items as completed and remove them from the list. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional to-do list that you can customize and use in your own projects. And with the help of ChatGPT, the process will be even easier and more streamlined. So, let's get started and create our to-do list with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with the help of ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more web development tutorials with ChatGPT. ChatGPT code generated. Now we will compile this code and run to see the results. Just follow my steps to create your own to-do list. Watch till the end. Finally, our to-do list app is ready. Let's try. I hope you liked this video. To support my cause, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment on my video. Thanks for watching.